The Mila Smart Home Air Purifier with Overreactor H14 HEPA replacement filter is designed to tackle all your air purification needs, removing formaldehyde, VOCs, dust, and odors efficiently. With 7 different filters to choose from, you can switch based on seasonality or specific needs, ensuring optimal air quality in various room sizes. Particularly ideal for spaces up to 560 square feet. Mila offers smart and whisper-quiet operation with 8 custom modes, including sleep and white noise, and can be controlled through a user-friendly app available on both iOS and Android. The purifier boasts a clean air delivery rate of 254 cubic meters per hour, refreshing the air every 30 minutes in a 560 square foot room, and automatically adjusts based on room size. Equipped with 8 environmental sensors, Mila monitors particulate counts, smoke, VOCs, temperature, humidity, and even carbon monoxide, ensuring comprehensive air quality management. For maximum performance, it is recommended to use genuine Mila replacement filters, as off-brand filters may reduce efficiency and increase noise levels.